how to sync Google Chat across all of the devices. So Google Chat is one of the services introduced by Google itself. So this is also a part of your workspace where you can connect your personal and professional life in collaboration and where you can share your ideas, opinions with your team and in a particular project. So it is like a group chat but in a vast version. So just go ahead and tap open your Google Chat first and foremost. You might remember that when you first open your Google Chat, you didn't have to log in and it got logged in by itself using your existing Google Chat login, that is your Gmail account. So if you have the Gmail account for your other devices as well, your Google Chat will be in sync. For an example, let me go ahead and open this space right here in my Google Chat PC. As you can see, my latest messages right here in my PC Google Chat. So if you go ahead and tap open your mobile device, firstly make sure that your Google account is similar. For an example, I will display my mobile Google Chat right here. Tap open your Google Chat first and foremost. Then tap on the profile icon just to be sure that we are using the same Google account on PC and mobile device. Then open up the space. As you can see, the latest messages is in sync, which means that our Google Chat is in sync. Sometimes if it's not in sync, make sure that your Wi-Fi is on optimum speed and try to refresh your Wi-Fi connection. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.